Immerse yourself in 3 rich, intimate audio-described dance films, bringing you closer to National Dance Company Wales than ever before. It begins to wriggle, flitter and jiggle, moving him forwards with a life of its own, a ripply-jiggly life of its own. Prodding himself, his body ripples up to his shoulder. He pushes his shoulder and flop. His legs take over in a wide stance, taking him for a funny walk. She is entranced by the gentle rolling motion of her feet, the way her toes lift up and down, her swaying shadow. She gazes up at the light to reveal a childlike innocence, and enjoys a sequence of playful gestures as she walks on the spot like a one-legged robot stuck in treacle. The rhythm of the heartbeat fills them with life. Close to the front, Joshua struggles to find form with the weight of the red flag, the weight of the revolution. With head torches on their heads and chests, they begin to illuminate themselves in an atmospheric haze. The group surges forwards, hunched low into the ground, hands cupped, arms rock and jab. Aisha grabs the flag from Josh, and the uprising swells around her.